Good morning, everyone. So I'm gonna do something that I've been thinking about all week. This is going to be something that I want to resemble like mother of pearl. And what I'm using is, for the background, I'm gonna use interference. This is golden artist color, which I received as a present from Judy. So Judy, thank you. I still have them. And I have a lot of colors of these primary elements. Now for this, all you have to do is go to, I'll get you in focus here. Whoops. There you go. Color Art. That's the website. Let's see if we can see it on here. Nah, not really. That one. Come on, come in focus. There you are. colorart.com. There you can find these. They're called primary elements, and they come in many different colors. And they are all really nice. You can use them in resin. You can use them for a lot of different things. Let me get you in focus here. Okay. Now, as you see, I've mixed up a lot. This is the interference. These are the Color Art primary elements. This is a background color, and these are the other colors I've mixed up. A lot of colors. So I'm hoping when I mix this together it looks a little bit like mother of pearl, and I'm just not sure if I'm going to put some silicone in here or not. I'm not really thinking about if I should or should not. Oh boy. Let's do it anyway. So a little bit in each color. Come on. There you go. A little bit of in this one. In this one, not so much. I did put a drop in, but I shouldn't have. But the rest I'm going to be putting in the silicone. So we're going to stir it up a little here. And what I used as a mixture is, for the primary elements, is just Vallejo pouring medium, the normal thickness, and then I put in a little bit of PVA glue just to thicken it up just a little bit. There you go, this one. Okay, so we got the silicone in there. And now I'm thinking, how am I going to do this pour? I think I'm going to just put this color around it like that. And then drop the other colors in the middle. There's a lot of bubbles going on in this paint, but we'll see what happens. And I might use the airbrush to brush a little bit of this over and see what happens. This color, not really too fond of this color, but we'll see what happens when it gets pushed together. Okay, now this side. A little bit more. And of course we want this all around it. Okie dokie, we're ready to blow some air. Oh, before I do that, I'd like to thank all the sponsors of March 2019. We're coming to an end, so I'm going to be picking someone out to send a painting to. Okay, let us see what happens. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now I really just want to stop right away. That is really pretty. That is really pretty, isn't it? Ooh, stop, stop, stop. Let's see if we can get some cells. That is really pretty, and it's growing as we speak, so I'm gonna move it a little bit more, make it a little bit bigger. That is nice. And once this dries, this is gonna be that interference color. And here I got too much silicone. I see that right now, so I have to do something to make sure it's... Oh, that's too bad. I have to do this. I'll fill that in because I really don't want to lose this, what's happening here. So let's see how we're gonna do this. We're gonna put a little more interference up here. Make that go over. There you go. Then down here. And we're going to pull that over just a little bit. Come down a bit. Okay. Oh, I can already see the interference working. That's really nice. I'm gonna put some down here. Pull that over. Sorry you're seeing my hair. Okay, I'm just making sure that, you know, I get a little bit of cell action because that really is what I need down there. Now, with the brush, if I can get my brush, I'm going to add the paint down here on the side. That isn't working like I thought it would work. Let it come over this side a bit. That worked. Now I have some bare spots right there. Here it needs a little bit more for the corner. Oops. Okay. And then I'm going to fill it up here because I have some canvas peeking through. We don't want that. But I would like a little bit more color up here. So we're going to add a little bit. And after this one, I'm going to do exactly the same, but I'm going to give it a flip cup, a dirty cup. See what happens there. I think I should have taken a airbrush and done that. That's it. There's not much cell action going on, but we do have a little bit. And you can see that there, here and there is some cells, but we'll just leave it like this. I am going to fill up where I see that the canvas is showing, just to have it all covered. So I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm hoping that tomorrow, because when you mix it up with pouring medium and with PVA glue is white, but when it dries transparent, so all that beautiful glitter will come out. So we'll just see how that works. Now I'm going to do the same, but I'm going to do a flip cup. So I'm going to mix up a little bit more of the background colors. I have enough of these colors, so you'll see the difference. So I'll be right back and we'll do the other one. So love you all to pieces. Later.